Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're about to walk into the Vidorra Knox District, and we're gonna actually go in and walk into the lobby. So I just want you to see what it looked like. So we walk in, and this is what it looks like. It's really, really cute. The leasing area is over there, and then it's a really pleasant area, just to kind of sit and chill out. They do have a lounge here, so we'll explore that maybe in another video, but the lounge is here. And then this is what the other part of the kind of open area looks like, the lobby. And then here is the coffee, so you get free coffee anytime. Looks like you can also get free, is this some dog treats? Free dog treats, yay. So anyway, those are all there. There's a pool over here, and there is a fitness center that's down here as well. So we'll look at that, just want to show that off. That's just down here. So it's all just kind of turning to the left. And then you can kind of see out here the pool. So the pool is here. That's really nice. And then, yeah, it's all there, the pool. And then the fitness center is just down here too. It's going to be just right on the other corner here. So here we go. Yep. Okay, that's that pool. That's awesome. And the fitness center is right there. And then the apartments actually start there. So this is what it looks like in here. It's really, really cool. And that's kind of the layout of all the amenities. So now let's go and explore each amenity. We're gonna explore it with just a super quick video. Hey, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, or you're ready for a tour here at this really cool Vidorra Knox, wow. You would love this place. I'm telling you, it's in a great area. It's very popular. There's not many openings. So if you want a tour here, send me a text. Just use the number below.